everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and today I'm gonna show you how to do makeup with just 3 products. Yes, you heard it right, just 3 products, and this video is not going to be a very long video. This is going to be a very short video, and I hope you guys will like it and it will be helpful to all of you. So let's get started. So guys, this is my final look. I have used only 3 products and I got this look. I hope you guys like my video, so don't forget to subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon. I will see you in my next video. Till then,